Now let's talk about what is key performance indicators. These are measurable values that demonstrate how effectively an organization is achieving key business objectives. They provide a focus for strategic and operational improvement, which create an analytical basis for decision making. Let's have examples of KPI for an e-commerce company. First is the sales growth. It is basically the percentage of increase in sales over a specified period of time. For example, if the sales in the previous quarter was $1 million and the sales in the current quarter is $1,200,000, then the sales growth would be $1,200,000 minus 1 million divided by 1 million multiplied by 100 is equals to 20% sales growth. Second is the customer acquisition cost. It is the cost associated with acquiring a new customer. For example, if an e-commerce company spends $50,000 on marketing in a month and acquires 1,000 new customers, then the customer acquisition cost would be $50,000 divided by 1,000 customers is equals to $50 customer acquisition cost. Third is the customer retention rate. It is the percentage of customers who continue to do business with the company over a given period. For example, if the company has 10,000 customers at the start of the year, acquires 2,000 new customers, and ends the year with 9,000 customers, the retention rate would be 9,000 number of customers at the end of the year minus 2,000 new customers divided by 10,000 customers at the start of the year multiplied by 100 is equals to 70% retention rate. Fourth is the average order value. It is the average amount spent each time a customer places an order. For example, if the total revenue for a month is $200,000 and there are 4,000 orders, the AOB would be 200,000 divided by 4,000 is equals to $50 average order value. And the last is the Net Promoter Score. It is a measure of customer satisfaction and loyalty, which is typically gauged through surveys asking customers how likely they are to recommend the company to others. For example, if 70% of customers are promoters and 10% are detractors, the NPS would be 70% minus 10% is equals to 60% Net Promoter Score. Thank you so much for watching.